A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masquerasi. So the Botswana president, Masisi, is here in the nation of Zimbabwe, where he is going to officiate the Zimbabwe agricultural show, and is expected a few minutes from now. Yeah, as many of people already gathered at the Harare International Airport, now at Jim Mugabe International Airport, where they're actually expecting him, and they are there to welcome him. So the economy is burning. The MPF people are up for dramas. So this is what is happening. This is the only ally of President Emerson Mnangagwa remaining in the SADC region, because Botswana is key in terms of being strategic partners. Botswana is key, as well as we have Botswana, we have South Africa, we have Zambia. These are key countries. The three key countries, and two of them, they've actually abandoned Zimbabwe, and this is the only left ally of President Emerson Mnangagwa at this moment. And they're expecting the Botswana president or the leader to be here in Zimbabwe, who is going to officiate the 2022 Zimbabwe Agricultural Show. A lot of activity is happening there, and is expected to happen there at the Zimbabwe Agricultural Show. And we've seen a lot of stalls we have been created. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission is actually there, so as various other organizations, further government departments, they are also there. So Zimbabwe Agricultural Show is very interesting because a lot of people get to exchange notes, get to learn new things, get to know about new things which happen in the agricultural economy of Zimbabwe. So there is an integration of various companies, my private companies, my government institutions, varimi, the farmers themselves, that they try to integrate at Zimbabwe agricultural show. And a lot of people, a lot of companies, a lot of businesses uses that opportunity to showcase what they actually have. So this is it in Zimbabwe. The last president who tried to come to Zimbabwe was the Kenyan president Uhuru Kenyatta. However, he failed to come because the former president of Kenya died before he actually came, or the same days he was supposed to be here. So this is it in Zimbabwe. The Botswana president is going to be in Zimbabwe, and is going to officiate the opening of Zimbabwe Agricultural Show. I don't know if you're going to the Zimbabwe Agricultural Show. It's a very important show. It's a very lucrative show, and you don't need to miss it. So this is it in Zimbabwe. I just decided to come and update you regarding this new development and what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for coming. Signing off. My name is Ronald Wikomakushi. Let us meet in other episodes and other programs. Tichisangana, Tichitika. Guys, don't forget to register to vote. Don't forget to actually teach people, educate people about voter registration and actually voting. So this is it in Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes and other programs.